Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to grow dwarf green beans. First, select a sunny spot in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Ensure your soil drains well and has a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Plant your dwarf green bean seeds about 1 inch deep and 3 to 4 inches apart. Space rows approximately 18 to 24 inches apart for optimal growth and air circulation. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy dwarf green bean plants. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, particularly when the plants are flowering and producing pods. Water at the base of the plants to avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to fungal issues. If your soil lacks nutrients, a balanced, low-nitrogen fertilizer can be applied once or twice during the growing season to support robust growth. Keeping an eye on your dwarf green bean plants for pests and diseases is vital. Watch out for common culprits like aphids, spider mites, and bean beetles. If you spot them, use organic solutions such as insecticidal soap or neem oil. Good air circulation helps prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Remove any affected leaves promptly to stop the spread and maintain plant health. Harvesting your dwarf green beans at the right time ensures the best flavor and tenderness. Pick the pods when they are about 4 to 6 inches long and feel firm, snapping easily when bent. Regular harvesting, every 2 to 3 days, encourages the plant to produce more beans. Enjoy your fresh harvest immediately or store them in the refrigerator for up to 1 week for later use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.